So this is just a quick video in order for me to share a fire recipe that I recently tried for the first time on this particular job, and I really liked the results, so I thought I would share it. As you can see, I've already covered a little more than half of this tank with a layer of candy. The other half does not have any candy applied, so I'm only using one layer of candy. What you see on this side of the tank is just Createx water-based products. They're all opaques. And I started the process using Createx Wicked Pyro Red. It's an opaque color. That's the first base layer of my fire. That's followed by a layer of Createx Wicked Pyro Orange, also an opaque. The third layer is Createx Illustration Chrome Yellow. It's an opaque color. And then the fourth layer, which is just the brightest highlights, the bright spots that you see that appear white. That is Createx Illustration Opaque White. However, I mixed 2 or 3 drops of the Illustration Chrome Yellow into the airbrush cup to give it a little bit of an off-white look. Once the layers are complete, then I come in and add the candy. I spray the candy over all of the fire, not just the highlights and the hot spots. The candy mix that I used is a mix between Candy 2.0 Tequila Yellow and Candy 2.0 Lemon Yellow. I mix those 1-to-1 and then add the UVLS Clear and a splash of 4011 Reducer before applying the paint. As I said, I'm really happy with the results on this. I think it's really nice. It pops, it's bright, it's vibrant. It's a pretty good combination for fire. So I hope you got something out of this. If you did, remember to like, subscribe, and share. I'm Trevor with Wicked Art Studio. I will see you all next time.